Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I would be going over an overview of API gateway and how can we make an get request from a function in a Lambda function. So let's go ahead and give you an overview on API gateway. So there are four kinds of API types, which is HTTP API, WebSocket API, REST API, and REST API private. But today we are gonna go over REST API. So let's build it. I'm gonna choose the new API and I'm gonna name it demo API. So you can keep it private if you want, and you would have to add your VPC endpoint ID. But for now, to keep things simple, I'll just go with a regional. So my, as you can see, my API has been created. Now I need to create a Lambda function. So let's go ahead and create a Lambda function. So create function, I'm gonna name this function get function, choose Node.js for now, but you can choose whatever languages you want, but I'll just go with Node.js for now. And create function. So now we have this particular API and get function created for us. Now what we need to do is that we need to make a call to this get function from our API gateway. I'm going to copy the ARN, paste it here, and I'm gonna create the function. Should be a get request. So there are different kinds of request over here, which is, it can be any, it can be delete, head, option, patch, post, put, but I'll go with get for now with the Lambda function which I created. So let's go ahead and create the function. So yes, a Lambda function is being created. As you can see that we have a test page over here where we need to test the API. So let's go ahead and test it, and you can see that we are getting the status of 200 back from the Lambda function, which is hello from Lambda. So if you go back here and see hello from Lambda, so this is what is being displayed here. So yes, so the get functionality is working fine with API gateway. So in this implementation, what we did was we created an API gateway for the get request, and with that get request we made a function, a get function in the Lambda functions, and we called that particular Lambda function in the API gateway. So if we refresh this page, you should be able to see that it is being associated with the API gateway. So yes, this was the end-to-end implementation of how can we do the get request with the API gateway and connecting it to the Lambda function. Yep. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe, like, and see you guys in the next lecture.